project's called the light Switch-A-Roo. This is how I turn a light off. I release a wheel which goes down an inclined plane which hits the dominoes that hits the toy car that has wheels and axles, that rolls down an inclined plane that hits the fishing reel that has a lever that releases a string which is attached to a pulley that drops a weight that hits a mouse trap which has a lever that pulls a string that is attached to a wedge that releases the marbles which falls into the bottle and turns the light off.